simple. It's perfect to do with the kids on a snow day. It's my favorite.
So, first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need some birdseed. We used about 1.5 to 2 cups of this. Next, you're gonna need some coconut oil, some peanut butter, and lastly, you're just gonna need a few strings. Ribbon or twine also works well. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a small pot and melt the coconut oil along with the peanut butter to make a thin consistency. Next, you're gonna take your birdseed and pour it into the pot slowly while stirring. Once the mixture reaches this consistency, take a cupcake pan and fill it about halfway with the mixture. Stick the ends of the string into the mixture and then continue to fill the pan the rest of the way. Once your pan is full, stick it in the freezer for about 4 hours for them to solidify. Once they're solid, take a butter knife and go around the edges of the treats. If you're having trouble getting them out, place the pan on a hot burner for no longer than 10 seconds and that will loosen them up.
All right, let's go put them outside and wait for the birds to come.
Natural seed sources from plants and crops are depleted in the winter. Food types are limited. In summer, seeds, berries, and insects are readily available, whereas the winter months force the birds to adjust their diet. Extra feeding helps the birds prepare for spring mating. Birds like chickadees and finches put on fat for the winter and will seek out suet and treats like these. Birds shiver to retain heat on cold days, and high-protein treats help them. Thanks for watching. Visit chnursery.com or our Facebook page for more videos.